Nearly 2 months after a traffic stop ended with a man shot to death by police, we now know Little Rock police officer who fired the shots will not face criminal charges. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10, everybody. I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Ashley Ketz. Bradley Blackshire died in February. LRPD officer Charles Starks shot him, claiming self-defense.
Earlier this week, we saw a protest in the streets from people hoping to see Starks charged. But tonight, the Pulaski County prosecutor says Starks was justified in using deadly force.
And KRK4's Mitch McCoy broke the story today. He's live at police headquarters now with a closer look at this decision not to prosecute. Mitch.
Yeah, Bob and Ashley, good evening to you both. A lot to unravel here, so let's get straight to it. In the report sent to the Little Rock Police Chief by the Pulaski County Prosecutor's Office, it lists several different reasons why Officer Charles Stark will not face any criminal charges. It lists some of those decisions off by saying that the car was moving, and Officer Starks says he was looking for cover. In this 5-page report to Little Rock Police, Pulaski County prosecutors determined Officer Charles Starks will not be charged in the February fatal police shooting of Bradley Blackshire. The report shows Starks was authorized to block in the vehicle based on information he had about the stolen car Blackshire was driving. Investigators say Starks ordered Blackshire out of the car 12 times. Starks says that he saw Blackshire move his hand on the shifter to put the car in gear. Starks further says that hand stays out of sight. A woman in the car with Blackshire told police Blackshire was digging around in his pocket where she says he normally keeps his gun. A gun was later found in the car, but the report does not reveal where it was found. Officer Starks fired several shots into the car after it began to move towards him. Prosecutors say without question, Mr. Blackshire's vehicle is a deadly weapon. It is also obvious that it was moving in Starks' direction. It will be argued the vehicle was moving too slowly to be a threat, but the fact that it is moving at all indicates that Mr. Blackshire had his foot on the gas. At least it was not on the brake. The prosecutor goes on to say it's the same as if Mr. Blackshire were pointing a gun at Starks. A family friend disagrees with the prosecutor and believes Officer Starks should be charged.
It's irresponsible. It shows a lack of respect for people, especially people of color. In Central Arkansas. It's more evidence in this case than there was in Bobby Moore's case when he was murdered by Josh Hastings.
The report shows that the car bumped Officer Starks, and then that is when Officer Starks fired his weapon. The report also indicates that Officer Starks was using the car as cover, afraid that Blackshire would shoot at him. The attorney representing Officer Starks, Robert Newcomb, released a statement today on behalf of Officer Starks. It includes the fact that Officer Starks is relieved tonight, adding, quote, "It relieves burden on him and his family. He wishes Mr. Blackshire would have gotten out of the car and this would have never have happened." That family friend that I spoke with earlier tonight tells me that he believes that the timing is coincidental, knowing that it's Holy Week, it's Good Friday, and it is Easter weekend. And the decision was announced today. We are live at police headquarters tonight. Mitch McCoy, KRK4 News.
And Mitch, we know that Officer Starks was relieved of duty days after the shooting, although he's still on LRPD's payroll. What does that mean basically for the job?
Yeah, so Officer Starks has been relieved of duty pending an internal affairs investigation. From the very beginning, 2 investigations started. You had a criminal investigation, which the prosecutor's office cleared Officer Starks of any criminal wrongdoing. The decision is now up to Chief Humphrey. That internal affairs investigation is complete. So the chief will now decide if Officer Starks violated any policies or procedures of the LRPD. We're told that decision could come down within the next 2 weeks. Late tonight, Little Rock Mayor Frank Scott Jr. released a statement. We want to bring what he said up on the screen for you. He said, quote, "I earnestly await the Department of Justice's civil rights review and its results." He added, quote, "I understand the range of emotions that today's decision has stirred. For I too share in your pain and frustration. However, I personally ask that the citizens of Little Rock remain peaceful." Strong words from the City Hall tonight. Back to you.
All right, Mitch, thanks very much.
And this is, of course, something we're going to be following here in the next several weeks because we've been covering this for 2 months now, and we will stay on it as the story develops.
Right now on KRK.com, you can read Pulaski County Prosecutor Larry Jigley's full review of this case, which explains his decision not to file charges. You'll also find the full video that LRPD released last month showing every angle available of the shooting and the events that led up to it.